Conquer your mind. Conquer the world.
The power within. Every revolution begins in the mind, not outside, not in the world, but deep within your body, where your thoughts live, where your fears whisper, and where your dreams quietly wait for permission to speak louder. Mental strength isn't just about toughness, it's about transformation. It's the ability to take control of your mind when everything around you feels uncontrollable. To rewire your brain means to challenge every limiting belief, uproot every internal doubt, and rebuild a mindset rooted in courage, clarity, and conviction. Realize that your thoughts are not facts and that your brain can change its own wiring through intention and action. A new kind of power is born in you. That power is discipline. That power is belief. That power is mental strength. And from that power, anything becomes possible. You are not your past. Too many people leave us prisoners of their past experiences, letting old failures, past pain, or inherited fear write the future. But your brain is not static, it's built to adapt, it's made to grow. Neuroplasticity, the brain's ability to rewire itself, means that your past doesn't define your capacity. You can think differently, you can react differently, you can become someone completely new. Mental strength is forged when you stop saying, "This is just how I am," and start saying, "This is who I choose to become." Every time you push through discomfort, reframe a negative thought, or take action in spite of fear, you are literally craving new pathways in your brain. You are proof that growth is not only possible, it is inevitable. You commit to the process. Your mind like a muscle. The mind, just like the body, needs training. You can't expect to be mentally strong if you never work on your mental fitness. Just like lifting weights strengthens your body, facing challenges, overcoming setbacks, and practicing daily discipline strengthen your mind. Every setback is an opportunity, every failure is feedback, every doubt is an invitation to step into clarity. You train your mind when you choose to show up, even when it's hard. You train it when you say no to distraction, when you sit with discomfort, when you take full ownership of your life. Mental strength isn't about pretending things don't hurt, it's about letting the hurt break your commitment to growth. It's about standing in the storm and saying, "I won't be moved." Thoughts become reality. Every action starts as a thought. Before you change your life, you change your mindset. Before you took the first step, you imagine the possibility. That means your thoughts are not small, they are seeds. And what you feed them determines what you grow. Feed your brain with fear, and you will reap anxiety. Feed it with faith, and you will harvest courage. What you think consistently, you become. So ask yourself, what are you rehearsing in your mind every day? Limitation or liberation? Doubt or determination? Mental strength grows when you stop letting your thoughts control you and instead you start directing your thoughts like a leader. You don't wait for the mind to feel good, you teach it how to think in alignment with where you are going. Emotion versus execution. Mental strength means learning to act beyond your emotions. Your emotions are real, but you don't always tell the truth. You can feel afraid and still be safe. You can feel tired and still keep going. You can feel unworthy and still be destined for greatness. Winners don't ignore the emotions, they master how to respond to them. They feel everything, but they move anyway. They don't wait to feel like it before they take action. They show up, they train, they execute. That's what separates dreamers from doers. Execution wins, and to execute consistently, you must win the battle in your mind every day. That's what mental strength is, choosing purpose over mood, vision over doubt, and action over fear. Break the cycle, reprogram your habits. Mental strength isn't about thoughts, it's about patterns. The habits you repeat daily are silently shaping your destiny. If you constantly give in to fear, avoid discomfort, or procrastinate your potential, you are reinforcing weakness. But if you build new, empowering habits, waking up early, feeding your mind with wisdom, moving your body, speaking life into yourself, you start rewiring your identity. Your brain loves patterns. It will default to whatever you repeat. That's why change feel hard. It's unfamiliar, but unfamiliar doesn't mean impossible. It means growth. It means you are stretching. And every time you resist the urge to give up, every time you choose focus over distraction, you are telling your brain, this is who I am now. Over time, those choices becomes automatic. Mental strength becomes your new baseline, and your life starts aligning with your highest standards. Discipline is freedom. People think freedom means doing whatever you want. That's not freedom, that's chaos. True freedom comes from self discipline, the ability to say no to what doesn't serve you and yes to what builds you. Discipline gives you clarity, it gives you time, it gives you control. Every time you choose discipline over impulse, you win a war inside your mind, and those small wins compound. Mental strength grows when you wake up early, even when you are tired, when you stay focused, even when you are tempted, when you speak truth to yourself, even when lies feel easier to believe. The strongest people aren't born. They are built through thousands of micro decisions no one sees. They have learned that greatness doesn't come from motivation, it comes from commitment. And discipline is the bridge between desire and destiny. Silence the inner critic. We all have a voice in our head that whisper, "You are not enough. You are going to fail. Who do you think you are?" That voice is the inner critic, and if you let it grow unchecked, it becomes a monster that eats your dream from the inside out. Mental strength means facing that voice and replacing it. You don't silence it by ignoring it. You silence it by confronting it with truth, by saying, "I have made mistakes, but I am not a mistake. I have failed, but I am not a failure. I am learning, growing, and rising." Inner critic is loud, but your inner coach must be louder. You need to train your mind to speak with compassion, confidence, and clarity, because the way you talk to yourself becomes the way you believe in yourself. Speak strength, speak courage, speak power. Your mind is a weapon. Sharpen it. Mental strength is not avoiding battle, it's about being ready for it. Life will test you, people will doubt you, the road will be hard, but the mentally stronger are never unprepared. They are sharpened by pressure, not broken by it. Train your mind like a warrior. Train their weapon. Study, reflect, visualize success, protect your peace, surround yourself with energy that elevates you, not drains you. Build mental rituals, morning affirmations, focus journaling, gratitude practice, core discipline. These tools keep you sharp, because when life hits hard, and it will, you won't crumble, you will rise, you will respond with precision, purpose, and persistence. A strong mind doesn't panic in adversity, it plans, it adapts, it wins. Nothing is impossible. This is your reminder. Nothing is impossible, not because the world is easy, but because you are powerful beyond belief. The only true limitation are the ones you accept. The only real defeat is the one where you stop trying, and the only person who needs to believe in you is you. Mental strength is the superpower that turns ordinary people into legends. It's what keeps you standing after life knocks you down. It's what pushes you forward when the world tells you to quit. It's what helps you see a door where others only see a wall. You wire your brain, wean your mind, and you will find that the world opens up in ways you never imagined. You weren't born to be average. You weren't born to break. You were born to rise. Rewire your brain, win your mind, win the world. Nothing is impossible.